own allies of the Congress party, certain distant alliance as well. Let's talk about the Aam Aadmi Party here, because former ally seems to be now mocking the Congress. Aam Aadmi Party here taunting the Congress over the poll loss, saying that it has the Congress party jahan jayegi wahan par apne alliance partners ko duba de jayegi. This is the AAP neta taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi, saying that did he go on a vacation after the elections? Where was Rahul Gandhi? Those questions are now being asked by the BJP, but they are being asked by the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, Akansha.
Absolutely. It is not just Congress versus Congress in the state of Bihar. It goes nationwide. In fact, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have mocked the Congress party. They have said, and I quote, they're raking in tons of likes by posting old photos of taking a dip, but not a single tweet about drowning their alliance partners in the Bihar defeat. Did they go back on vacation as soon as the election ended? And this is a clear jibe at Rahul Gandhi. But most importantly, this is what they are hinting at. Drowning their alliance partner is a jibe by the Aam Aadmi Party chief spokesperson Priyanka Kakkar as far as the Bihar and the massive dropping that the Congress party faced there.
All right. So as far as the Congress party is concerned, obviously the BJP has been raising questions over its own existence as far as when it comes to the contribution that the Congress party actually has done to the Mahagathbandhan. The RJD itself facing that parivar. As far as what's happening within the party itself, that also seems to be a very obvious divide. But on part of ground situation, why the Congress party did actually crumble, their own party leaders are now taking up the question against the party leadership, demanding answers, asking for accountability to be fixed. Even if the party, if it had done a better performance in the Congress party, then it would have been, the entire credit would have gone to the party leadership. But if the party fails to put up even with a better performance, then who will take responsibility? Well, that question is being raised within the Congress party itself. Akansha, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. Let's move on.